Okay, we are on the dashboard of SailSmart. So here we can see the boat class, the team we are in, the total session, sailed hours, and the sessions itself. We have different user profile, sailor, coach, and admin. Both can do different things in the software. In the admin part, we can manage the both classes, so we can edit them and creating new ones. So we can give rig geometry and sail geometries and boat weights, what we need for the analysis. And also we can give extra fields that can support the settings and the settings analysis. And also, if the boat is foiling, we can enter the takeoff speed. So we can calculate the foiling times. We can manage the sessions. The admin and the admin can look everyone's session, and the coach can look the whole team's session. If set it to different teams, the coach can see all the sessions. And yeah, we can manage the users, we can add it to different teams, and we can manage the teams as well. We have the cell shapes here, that is for the development to be able to delete these. Okay, we can upload data here. So we can upload a CSV file from different instruments, and there are much more that is compatible. Even Salmon, for example, what I am uploading is a Salmon. And yeah, we can select the boat class. The admin or the coach can assign it to different users. So the coach, for example, can upload for different boats sessions. We can give the wind data configuration. We can do it manually. So it means we give the speed and the direction. So that is the basic one. We can upload a CSV file from an instrument. We can use it infer from track. So it means it works really well on an up and down course. And weather data, it means it fetches historical data for the given from the given place. It's not as accurate as we would think. And we can here check it if it's a race or a practice session. We can give notes, and we have the foil rake and the rudder rake only for testing for NACRA 17, so we can enter the value here. Okay, I won't upload this. And here we have, if we go inside a session, we can view the session in a grid mode and in a map mode. We have many things here. We have the pre-race mask, which hides the mousing just before a race. And we have a direction arrow, which shows which direction the track is going. And we can color the track with speed. Here we can see the explanation of the colors for foiling, which part it was foiling, and just a normal standard blue one. Here we can see the session informations, the location, the class, the wind, the distance. It was a training, different speeds, foiling times. Also, I will talk about the segment later. And here we can see the boat settings. We have the windrows analysis, which is still in beta version, but a kind of polar diagram with given speeds. Here we can see the max speed, average speed. And we have wind estimation. This is the part of the machine learning that we upload more and more sessions with exact wind data. The system learns the boat speeds and the directions, and it makes suggestions about the wind strength and wind direction to help those sessions when we do not have the proper wind data. And we have a confidence meter that how confident it is. So it's still in a beta version, but as we upload more and more, it learns much more, obviously. And here we have the polar drawing basically, and the maneuvers. It breaks down the tags, jibes, turnups, veeraways. Now I zeroed it out for a different purpose, but yeah, the recovery times, efficiency, and you can rate it. And this is a new model, and we have an older version with a different kind of calculations. So you can compare those because it's pretty hard to compare them. Then we have the VMG analysis, where we can see the VMG and the boat speed. I can turn off the boat speed or even the VMG. And we have the segment. That is an interesting one. So we can go into a session and we can make 2 points. So we can analyze those track between that 2 points. So for example, a downwind session or just a simply upwind session. And when we have the segment, we can run an analysis here. So we can see the VMGs, the speeds, the wind conditions, the maneuvers, and the heel trim. So, and of course the foiling. We can give settings for these exact segments. And this comes interesting here because we go to sail shape. We can upload here a sail shape, a picture of the sail shape. We can use a session timestamp. So when we upload the photo, it has a timestamp. It matches with the time of the track, link to a segment, and enter manually. When we link it to a segment, we can give the exact point when the picture was taken. Okay, we can name and we can make sections. So I open one. So here it is basically a picture uploaded, and here we can change where the photo is taken or by the map. So I can click here. It means the photo is taken there. It is important because the analysis will take the heading, the wind datas, the boat datas from that exact point. And yeah, I can edit the sections. So I edit the lowest one. So I earlier drew the sections, but I can modify it and update section and update shape. So we have in the NACRA 17, we have many sections given. So the 0 is the boom, 25, 50, 75, 90, and 100, that is the head. So So we can set these heights, for example, to the heights of the button packets or heights of the stripes or anywhere we want, and we can give its length, so it can calculate really well. So if select this main cell and I go to analyze, then it's running the analysis. Its speed is depending on how many cores I give to the program. Now I use a pretty low number because I use the cores mainly for other reasons or for other things. So we get the coefficients, the forces, efficiency metrics, the pressure distribution, the suction peak and the stagnation. I still have to work on this. So we can save it. Also, we can download it to a PDF. And we have the comparison. We have two different types of comparisons. One is the team comparison, when the session, the exact session you are in, is compared to the other team members and to the best within the team. And we have the phantom one, when it is compared to the best one or from the bot class itself, so outside from the team as well. And we have the AI suggestions. We need at least 4 sessions to upload with the same win speed to be able to give suggestions. So it can suggest 2 things. One, the boat settings and the foil rakes, for example. And so we have 2 sessions uploaded in 12 knots of wind with 2 different foil settings. Then it will suggest you to use the one where you were faster, for example. Just a small example. And also we have a logic behind that about the sail shapes. So if it has too much twist or too less twist, then you have to adjust the Cunningham, the mast rotator, sheet or wang on a big boat, for example. So yeah, that will work. And as I tested it, it works really well. So this is the program up to now. We have the live mode, which has lots of bugs now, and I am working on this as well. It will take much longer, so it can instantly analyzing the performance metrics as it is in connection with the instrument. So you can see the tracking, you can see the wind, and if you have a GoPro, then you can see the sail shape and can give you, not immediately, but within 5-10 seconds a feedback what to do. But I have to work on this one. Yeah, we have the communities, that is only the fake datas, so you can compare it within your team. So what is the best performance? And yeah, that's it.